In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add records in Airtable, whether you're entering data one row at a time or pasting in a whole spreadsheet in one go. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. You'll want to make sure you're signed into your account, so click the login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace with all your bases. Go ahead and click on the base you want to edit. This is where all your tables live, so once the base opens, find the specific table where you want to add your new records and click on it. Now that you're inside the table, look for the first empty row at the bottom. It usually has a plus sign or a dimmed placeholder. Click that row to activate it, and then start entering your data into the fields. You can type directly into each cell, moving across the row to fill in whatever information you need, names, dates, statuses, whatever fields you've set up. If you want to create multiple records, just keep adding data row by row. Each new row becomes a separate record, so you can build out your table manually, one entry at a time. But here's a real time saver. You can also copy and paste multiple rows from a spreadsheet directly into Airtable. If you have data in something like Google Sheets or Excel, just highlight the rows you want, copy them, and then paste them right into your Airtable table. Airtable is smart about this. It will automatically create separate records for each row of data you paste, matching your columns as closely as possible. This works great when you're migrating data or importing a batch of information quickly without typing everything by hand. And that's it. You now know how to add records in Airtable, both manually and by pasting from a spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.